right. Good evening. All right. Now, my goal before I even start this is for this to go viral, because I'm trying to save people. Here we go. Do you know how many entertainers, rappers, how many NBA, NFL, how many superpowers right now that have people around them literally hoping that they never found this information out? Now, I need y'all to tag every entertainer, Beyonce, tag Deion Sanders, hell, tag Shaq, tag every young NFL player, every young NBA player, you name it. As a matter of fact, tag everybody you know that got a business, because now I'm about to give everybody free game. Now, y'all either want it or you don't. I'm telling you, this is going to save your life. If y'all want to start a movement, here we go. All of these people that are being told to go get an LLC, stop. They're setting you up for failure. Why? I'm going to give you some real answers. Now, the average person, again, stuck in the matrix, is going to say otherwise, but here we go. First and foremost, the most common forms of business is sole proprietorship, partnership, S corp and corporation. A limited liability company is only allowed by state statute. You are automatically classified as a disregarded entity as a single member LLC. The definition of disregard means pay no attention to, ignore. So you thinking that you are separate from the business is a goddamn lie. You are not separate from something that you are a part of. You also get an operating agreement. How in the hell can you be in agreement with yourself? According to the IRS, owners of LLCs are called members. The definition of an owner is someone who owns something. The definition of a member is someone who is part of a group. How the hell you gonna be a part of a group by your damn self? The EIN number that everybody is running to go get has your damn name on it. How can you be separate from something that has your name on it? A corporation is the only entity that is seen as a separate tax-paying entity, because the United States government says the term United States person means a citizen or resident, a domestic partnership, or a domestic corporation. In fact, the EIN, the IRS says you will need an EIN if you have employees. An employee is someone you pay that has taxes taken out of their check, or if you operate as a corporation or a partnership. The dots are right there in the front of people. But here's what happens. You got all of these big industries and these agents and these attorneys, these CPAs that are supposed to be leading these young people, and they're lying to them. You're not saving on taxes. They're raping you. Now, this may not be, palatable for some people, and I understand. But I'm going to give it to you raw and real. Just because your uncle or your auntie doing your taxes doesn't mean they're right. People will say, well, don't become a C corporation because you get taxed twice. We just don't ask, well, how much is the goddamn tax? See, a corporation is taxed at 21% flat. If you are a shareholder and get paid on a qualified dividend, let's just say $40,000 if you're single, $80,000 if you're married, you pay 0% in taxes. As a matter of fact, you can get damn near $500,000 and only pay 15%, whereas the way that you are taxed now as an LLC, which you are taxed as the personal individual tax on the individual tax rate, you're 37% plus. So you got all of these people that are getting all of this money in the NBA, the NFL, all of these rappers and these R&B singers, and nobody's teaching you. While all of the while, the people that are paying you, they're not structured as a damn LLC. No, they're structured as a corporation. And most of them are structured in states where there's no corporate income tax. So please, do me a favor. I don't care about it being me. Just give the people the information. But for those who need help, I can and I will. I will definitely help you. My name is Dwayne Williams. I am the CEO of Mac Enterprise Consulting. We are a full-service business consulting firm that actually educates people the right way. Thank you. Have an amazing Saturday.